Hello, everyone. This is just a quick market update on what is going on in the hard money lending space and the rental portfolio, investor rental portfolio space. So basically, there's a lack of liquidity, and all the big kind of national brands that were lending in multiple locations, pretty much nationwide lenders, most of them are halting lending completely. And if they're not, they've reduced their LTV and LTC thresholds tremendously. So I'm seeing throughout the many investor groups I'm involved with, a bunch of people posting online about deals getting canceled at the last minute. So I wanted to shoot this quick video and just kind of give you the insight from an insider's point of view. Because it happened to me too. I was supposed to close on a triplex, and the hard money lender at the last minute said, "Oh, we can't do the loan," basically. So anyway, so it's happening all over, and it's going to continue to happen for, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but it's going to be a while. The good news is what I do for my day job is I've been arranging loans for 20 years, and I have a ton of capital sources. So what you're seeing is a big influx of, actually what I should say is we're going back to where we were 6 years ago before the institutional money came into the hard money business. So that's the local funds that might lend in the state of California or might lend in the state of Arizona. They're typically not a nationwide platform. They're a localized hard money lender. Those funds still are available, and obviously private Benny loans, which are made by a mortgage broker, and then a high net worth individual might fund the deal, and he is the Bank of America or hard money lender in that say. So those type of loans are all available, but let me tell you this: you're not going to be getting 90% of purchase and 100% of repair costs. Not right now. That people are asking for 20, 30% down right now. They'll fund maybe 70 to 75% of purchase and 100% of rehab, which is still, going back in history, is still pretty aggressive. So that's what's there for you. So I'm here just to kind of give you an update of what's going on. Now, as far as the 30-year rental loans, those are pretty much gone. There's a few funds that are doing 5 and 10-year loans, which are amortized. They're 5 and 10-year fixed, amortized over 25 years. There are some of those left, but the true 30-year portfolio loans are pretty much gone for right now. Maybe they'll come back in the next month or two. I'm not sure. It's because the secondary market is locked up, causing no liquidity in the market. So, I'm getting emails from all the big players out there, and they're all halted right now. But just recently today, spoke to a borrower who had 2 or 3 failed attempts with lenders, and he needs to close in the next week here. And I was able to help him and refer him to a lending source that was able to fund that specific transaction. So my suggestion is reach out to me. Let me use my 20 years of experience and my connections throughout the nation, from going to conferences and networking with local and top lenders out there. So I'm happy to do a consultation with you. It's free. I'm not going to charge you anything. I can point you in the right direction if I can't do it, but I'm here to help. And I know this downturn here is, it reminds me of 2008, just a lot different in the fact that the coronavirus is what, strung this downturn or recession, it seems like. But, we weathered the storm before, we'll weather it again. But during these times of turmoil, that's where there's a lot of opportunities created. I also run a large real estate investor club called Thrive REIA. You should check it out sometime. You can go to meetup.com/Thrive REIA. And you could join and get emailed when there's new events. We interview lenders, wholesalers, investors, and we pick their brains, and that content's all available for you. So anyway, I don't want to keep you too long, but the fact is that you can still close. Just be prepared to be a little bit more conservative on ARVs, bring in a little bit more cash, and it's going to be a little bit more pricey than we've paid in the past because there's limited capital funding deals right now. But if you got a good deal, I'll help you close it. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.